Maple Hollow, a small town where the snow falls slow and the coffee's always hot.
At the center of it all, a diner called the Amber Spoon.
This winter, a quiet mystery settled over the streets. An unseen kindness.
For every widow who woke to a clear path, someone was there before dawn.
And those footprints led straight back to the last place anyone thought to look.
Morning, Soul. Coffee?
Always, son.
Pancakes for you, Mrs. Sterling.
Mind if I sit? I mind. But sit. You hear? Every widow's driveway got cleared again this morning. Probably some kid wanting attention.
Easy, cuz. Long night? Yeah, couldn't sleep.
Best gifts don't come wrapped. Sometimes they wear old sneakers.
What?
Figured you could use something sweet today.
It's Danny. He's the one shoveling every driveway.
I know. He's been doing it for 2 winters.
Someone cleared my walk. I didn't ask for that. I don't need charity.
Sit a spell, Margaret. Please.
Fine.
Fine. There was a boy. He didn't have much, but he gave quietly.
Why would someone do that? Without wanting a thank you?
Well, Margaret,
Danny, come warm up.
It was you, all this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Good kid.
real kindness doesn't need a witness, son. It just needs a heart.
After my grandpa died, someone cleared my grandma's driveway. She never knew who, but it changed her winter.
Thank you, not just for the snow, for seeing me.
That's the stuff.
Look at you, Margaret, smiling in public. Don't tell anyone.
Special delivery, Danny. From a lot of someones. It says,
Keep going. You already are.
Good kid.
See, Biscuit? The best gifts don't come wrapped. Sometimes they shovel your driveway. Pie. On the house.
Pass me a fork.
Good kid.